you know your body clock not only controls your sleep and energy, but also decides the health of your liver, and your body clock might be out of sync. Right now, it could be seriously harming your liver. Let's check it out and see what's really going on. Hey guys, I'm Dr. Cactus. Welcome to your channel, Cactus Health Hub. In this video, we'll explore how your body clock works, what happens when it goes off, and simple ways to keep your liver healthy. We'll break it all down in 5 easy sections. In a 2019 study from the University of California, San Diego, scientists turned off a key clock gene, BMAL1, only in the liver of mice. The liver lost its rhythm, fat levels spiked, and signs of fatty liver appeared. And then in 2023, researchers at the University of Southern California found that disrupting another gene, clock, threw fat and sugar metabolism out of balance, just like the liver's time manager had vanished. So yes, these are real lab results showing how breaking your body clock can directly harm your liver. Alright friends, let's jump to the screen. So first, we're gonna look at the main problems and how this issue actually affects your body and mind. And then, in the second section, I'll show you a few super simple things you can do right at home to fix it. Let's go! Now let's see what happens to our liver when the body clock goes off. Number 1. Physical. Non-alcoholic fatty liver, impaired fat and glucose metabolism. Basically, when your clock is off, your liver can't manage fats and sugar properly. Number 2. Mental, behavioral. Fatigue, low energy, sleep problems. See? The liver and brain work together. If your rhythm is off, both your body and sleep suffer. Number 3. Social lifestyle. Increased risk of obesity, diabetes, chronic issues. So, an irregular lifestyle can lead to bigger problems like obesity and diabetes. Luckily, there are science-backed ways to keep our body clock and liver healthy. Number 1. Adjust light and sleep. Get natural daylight and enough sleep at night. It keeps your body clock and liver on track. Number 2. Meal timing. Eat meals at regular times to keep metabolism and liver function smooth. Number 3. Regular physical activity. Do light exercise during the day and evening to maintain body and liver rhythm. Number 4. Avoid shift lifestyle and artificial night light. Reduce phone and laptop use before bed and limit shift-like night habits to keep your body clock and liver relaxed. By following these simple tips, you can keep your body clock and liver healthy and prevent potential problems. Welcome back, my friends. I hope you've got a good look at the bad effects and the simple, effective solutions. Now let's check out the key takeaways. So, keeping your natural body rhythm supports a healthy liver and overall well-being. By managing light, sleep, and meal timing, you can keep your liver at its best. Don't forget, even small positive changes can make a big difference to your health, so start today. Remember, this info is for learning, prevention, and boosting your health. If you notice any serious issues with your body, be sure to see a doctor. I put the video source from PubMed in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on staying healthy. And let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. So until the next video, take care of yourself. Goodbye, my friend.